Okay, so let's take a look at how you can convert hexadecimal number into binary. Let's say if we add capital A, we wish to convert it to binary, we can use HEX2BIN and then pass on A2, right? And we will have output that looks something like this. Now if we add say numbers something like 9 and use HEX2BIN and then pass on A3, it should have something like this. And if we add something like C4 and use HEX2BIN to convert A4 into that, we will have binary that looks something like this. Then finally, if I use 4 times F, then 4 times F. And if I use HEX2BIN on that and then pass on A5, notice that it will result in error because it will go above and beyond the valid values. So let's try and see if it makes any difference, right? Still the value goes above and beyond and leads to an error, right? So take a look at HEX2BIN if you wish to convert your hexadecimal number to binary in Google Sheets.